Cozmo and Friends.
So, when I press the button, the light goes on.
Okay.
But with the knock gate in between, when I press the button,
The light stays off. So it does the opposite.
yes. But with the two knot gates, the light goes on. They cancel each other out. It's like having none at all.
So the opposite is back to normal.
That's right. And 3 knot gates are just like 1.
Let's go get muffins. Painting makes me hungry for some reason.
Cool. So does coding. See you later, Cozmo.
See ya. Oh, hey, Marv.
Marv must clean.
Or you could say, Marv must not clean. Clever, huh?
Marv must not clean. Not. Marv must not clean.
So I guess I might not think you're kind of cool.
Not.
Huh?
Not.
Marv, you've got to clean all this up. Start with that plant. Oh. Huh?
Not.
Time out! Time out! I said clean up the plant. I'll clean here, you clean there. Okay, never mind. You put everything in the trash. Well, at least you're vacuuming something up now. Marv! You're on glue, not stuck! Stop! What is with you today? It's like you're doing the opposite of what you're supposed to.
Marv must not clean. Marv must not clean.
I got you confused with those nuts! You've gone into some kind of opposite mode. Uh-oh. I know. Hey, Marv! Do not clean. Make a mess. Trash the place.
Marv must not clean.
Hey, Marv! Knock that mug over.
Marv must not clean.
Yeah! Awesome! Woohoo! Yes!
Hi, Cozmo.
Hey, Cody! We've had a really quiet time. We did not have a problem at all.
Okay.
Marv must clean.
Oops. Marv, could you clean that up, please?
Marv must clean. Marv must clean.
Stop! I mean, do not stop! I mean, make a mess! Spill the drink! Do not vacuum the crumbs!
Huh? Cozmo? Marv?
Marv must not clean.
We may not have a problem.
There. That should do it.
Marv must clean.
Phew.
Not.
Huh?
Ha. Marv joking.
Not funny, Marv. Cozmo and Friends.